Okay, this is section 5.6. This is problem number 3. They give you 1 0 and they give you a function and you're trying to find the remaining zeros. Well, if they give you negative 5i, you know that there's one more 0 that's plus 5i, but we can use synthetic division to come on down and find the missing 0. So if we start out with the 0 that they gave us a negative 5i. Okay, so we knew that positive 5i was going to be 1 also. You could have started with the negative 5i and then gone to 5i. Either one of these two you could start with. I just happened to have started with the 5i, so let's go with that. You bring the 1 down, you multiply. When you add here, you have a real and an imaginary part. Then you want to multiply. You're going to multiply this together, and it comes up to be negative 25 minus 45i. The 25's cancel, and you're left with the negative 45i. Okay, now the 5i times the negative 45i, go through the process, you end up with a positive 225, and you get 0. Remember, you knew this was a factor, so your remainder should have been 0. Now, use the negative. You could have reversed these. Remember, bring the 1 down, negative 5i. You're using the results from here to do another synthetic division. So 1 down, multiply, negative 5i. Cancel, negative 9. Multiply. When you multiply negative 5i times negative 9, you're going to get positive 45i. Cancels your 0. So you're down to where you should be able to come up with just one linear factor. This little part right here, what this actually stands for, and I'm going to put that in because I think it would help, that actually stands for x minus 9. So you're down to that as a factor. The other two factors, this one would be an x minus 5i, this one would be the x plus 5i, and then you would have the x minus 9. These are your factors. So your zeros going from that would be 5i, negative 5i, and positive 9. Synthetic division does come in pretty handy in these kind of problems. Just take your time, be careful.